Gear oil is a crucial component in maintaining the smooth operation of various machinery and vehicles. In this video we will be discussing the key benefits of choosing the right gear oil. Firstly, improved performance and efficiency. The right gear oil ensures that the gears operate smoothly, reducing friction and wear. This improves overall mechanical efficiency and prolongs the lifespan of the equipment. Secondly, reduced wear and tear. Gear oil acts as a protective barrier between metal components, minimizing direct contact and reducing the wear that results from constant use. Thirdly, protection from rust and corrosion. Gear oils often contain additives that protect against rust and corrosion, especially in harsh environments such as marine or industrial settings. With the help of this video, you now understand the key benefits of choosing the right gear oil. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on key benefits of choosing the right gear oil, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.